Are you trying to make a call on WhatsApp business but keep saying the message could not place call? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy and working solution to fix this problem fast. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. First, open a browser to your choice, type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to testing your internet speed. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top, turn airplane mode on, wait for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn off. Next, open a settings, scroll down and tap apps. Scroll down and search WhatsApp Business. Tap for stop. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. And tap manage storage. Here you see delete your data manually. Then go to Play Store. Search for WhatsApp Business. If there any update, then update it. Now restart your device. And that's it. Your WhatsApp business call problem should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.